Everyone, welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club, where you get to learn how to earn sweatlessly. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your withdrawal of your Vertus to your preferred exchange. Okay, so but one thing you need to know, first things first, let's get some certain things out of the way. Now let's go to the latest information about it. So we are made to understand that normally they are supposed to list on the 12th of January, okay, but the listing has been postponed because of technical issues that was being experienced in the app. But now we are made to understand that snapshots will be taken on the 13th of January, and then the deposits into your preferred exchange, it will be closing on the 15th of January, just about a few days from now, and then the listing date is going to be on the 17th of January. So you need to be aware, and that is why you have to share this video to your friends and everyone that is involved in Vertus, so that they can get this update as quickly as possible and act as accordingly as quickly as possible. So let's go to the business of the day. But first of all, first is first, let's just quickly get the Vertus code of the day before I show you. So we take this, then we take it again, and then we take this again, and then meanwhile today's date is 12th of, by the way, today's date is 12th of January. Okay, so this code is actually for 12th of January 2025. Okay, so we pick it, and then we just get our bonus for the day. Okay, and also remember to do your daily login and all that. So I've collected the one for today, and that's that. Before you get to withdraw, okay, you need to do some certain things. First of all, first things first, come to the mission section here. We are going to be going to the withdrawal section, but for now, let's go click on this. So one of the things you need to do, one of the criteria for you to be able to withdraw, okay, is for you to complete all the tasks in the session, okay, in the sponsor section. Make sure it is being completed. We need to go back. Let's click on back. Okay, so what we want to do now is to go back to the home page again. So I click on this back arrow at the top left corner, click on the back arrow, and then we come to this Vertus balance. So tap on it, and then see what I'm saying. You see this criteria here, you need to complete it, okay, and part of it is the sponsored mission, sponsored tax that I showed you a while ago. You need to complete all those sponsored tax. It's going to be among this criteria, and then you also need to complete some certain tasks here. So the first is first, when you come to this place, is to check up on this place and make sure you have a tick mark like this, that is marked, correct or good in some cases. And then what you want to do is to click on exchange to choose the exchange you want to withdraw. And if you prefer withdrawing on your wallet, you can see custodial wallet right here. But then let me quickly say something about this. Now, out of this total balance, it has been said that what you'll be withdrawing, they are going to be giving you 65%, okay, and then they are going to be locking up 35%. I think it's in one of the updates there, so you need to be aware of this. But they did say that it is not vesting. I don't know what that really means. So that being said, let's quickly go to the exchange. So I prefer using BITGET, so click on BITGET. So in your own case, if you prefer Gate.io, the process is the same. If you prefer BingS or MXA, the process is the same. So for me, I'm using BITGET. BITGET is a very big exchange, so I click on select. Okay, it's asking me if I do have BITGET account. I said yes. So if you don't have a BITGET account, you can say no, and then you create accounts using their referral link. But for me, I have. And I quickly want to say this, okay, you can actually change your exchange or correct whatever. If you make a mistake, you can correct it You understand? But then another thing that is very important is that I will be on the lookout for any of these exchanges. Let me go back. Be on the lookout for any of these exchanges that will be giving out bonus. So if any of them is giving out bonus, definitely I want to go with the one that gives out the highest bonus. So let's be aware of that. So I click on BITGET, and then I click on yes. Okay, I have an account. So what I'm to do is to look for my UID and then my deposit address. So I'll go to my BitGet wallet exchange. I beg your pardon. All right, so I'm in my BitGet exchange. So I'm under home. Okay, you can see home at the bottom left corner. So the next thing is I want to go to the bottom top left corner. Okay, to click on the icon there. So click on it, and then you can see this profile stuff here. So just click on this small arrow at the right hand corner there. So click on it, and then you'll be able to see where you can copy. Look at the UID, and then look at this copy icon. So just tap on it, and then you copy it. Go back to the Vertus. So what I want to do is I want to paste my UID right here. You can see UID. So I just long press and then paste my UID there. Then go back again to click to look for my deposit address. Okay, so I go back to the home page, and then look at this asset at the bottom right corner. Okay, click on assets, click on it. So what I want to do is I click on add funds. Okay, click on deposit crypto. So I click on deposit crypto. So next thing is to look at this search space at the top there. So click on it and then type in Vertus. So you can see Vertus right here. So tap on it right now. Look at which. Okay, it's Undertone network, obviously. So what you want to do is to click on this copy the withdrawal the deposit address. I beg your pardon, deposit address. Now at this point I need to say something here. If we look at this, is BitGet exchange, right? So if you look at it, you won't see any memo or tag to be added. Okay, so it's just the deposit address, only the deposit address. But for Gate.io or BingX or other exchanges, they do have memo. So apart from, if you are using Gate.io, for example, apart from copying the apart from copying the wallet deposit address, you also need to copy also the memo. But for BitGet, there is no memo, so I'm copying just the deposit address. So I go back to my Vertus app, and then I paste in the deposit address. So I look at it just to be sure, take an extra look at it again. Okay, just to be sure that I am in line. Okay, so that's about that, and I simply click on send. You can see send. I click on it, and then it has successfully been added. So you can also you see what I said here. If you want to change your exchange, you can always cancel your request and do everything all over again. So that's how to go about it, guys. Please remember that for you to for you to choose your exchange is going to be closing on the 15th. That's about 2 days from now or 3 days from now, on the 15th of January. So please, you need to hurry up, share this video to your friends so that it will help them. Like this video, subscribe to this video if you are watching on TikTok, and follow me on my channel. Thank you.